Okay, guys, so good morning, should be recording. Bear with. There we go. She said it now. Okay, so yesterday, guys, take a look at the US 100. Yesterday didn't really move at all, really. So we had a beautiful bullish engulfing on Wednesday. Thursday didn't really do much. Was kind of hoping for it to continue. It's already kind of moved today. What I would like to see is a continuation, but honestly, on a Friday, what do we know? On a Friday, we usually see a reversal on a Friday. So even though it has moved up a little bit, probably going to see a move to the downside. But however, if we do see a good trade on the US 100, if we do see a reversal and then a long, more than likely I'll take it. Sometimes Fridays can be the cleanest days of the week. So we've literally placed two trades this week, one on Tuesday, one on Thursday, and yeah, not really moved at all. We haven't lost anything, but haven't really gained much either. So yeah, if we see a move down to here and then a bounce, we can probably go for a long here. Again, not expecting much because it is a Friday, but sometimes Fridays can be freak days, but there's no news, I believe. Usually we do have good days when there's Michigan consumer sentiment. There's some news happening. So what do we have today? We have a Fed Logan speech at 18:30 and then employment change for the CAD. So honestly, it's really, really quiet today. I really don't expect anything too crazy. Next week's going to be better in terms of news wise, but yeah, today potentially along. Okay. Other than that, I'm not really interested in trying to catch a sell for the exhaustion. If it does move down, and then Monday might be the day for a move to the upside. Just wait for this to load. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about it, man. Apart from, 1 second, I can probably connect to this. 1 sec. Let's one. Let's go to the other internet. Bear with. Let's try and solve the roboticness. Losing me. Okay, 1 minute. Oh no, memento. This should solve the issue. Okay, 1 sec. See if this solves the issue. That better? Is that better, guys? Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Right, so I'll just go over US 100 a little bit just so that we know. So, yeah, guys, basically today I'm not really expecting much. Probably move down, might move a little bit, but Friday, it's a quiet Friday. Usually on Michigan consumer sentiment, it does move. When we've got kind of a little bit of news on a Friday, we can have a really good day. Okay, cool. So, yeah, don't expect much today on US 100, but if we do see a good trade, we'll take it. US 30, I mean, consolidation here. The only trade really is if this breaks. So if it breaks all-time highs, and then we've got a trade to the upside. Other than that, I do believe that this will just move to the downside. So we'll see what happens with this. We basically use this as confirmation that we're either going to have a bullish day or a bearish day on the US 100. Because well, every single time back testing, I got a trade on US 100. The same was on US 30. So if it's going to be a good day, we're going to see the trade on both of them. So there we go. If the US 100 is bullish, US 30 is bearish, that's telling me it's probably not going to be a good day to trade. Let's take a look at gold. Let's see what this has done. So gold is, yeah, again, it's still trading between these two. I don't know whether this is going to see sell pressure here and break and continue moving down, or whether it's going to, or whether this uptrend is going to come in again and move to the upside. So honestly, I'm still waiting for either this level to be broken or this level to be broken. So this is kind of like the no-go area. I don't really want to trade this because, this uptrend potentially has come in, but then again, it is looking bearish. On the fundamentals, gold is weaker short term, medium term, it's weaker as well. But then we see strength during the US session. It's just weird. So we'll see what happens. It could just touch this level again and move up. If we do see that, then we'll place a trade just to this level. But other than that, a break here or a break there would be preferred. Let's have a look at this. So the Great British pound against the yen has already moved. We didn't see that exhaustion. We didn't see a move at all. So we can get rid of this. Super strong Great British pound, super weak yen. Take a look at the daily. Touching the highs from November. If this is going to continue or if it's going to, I think right now we're going to see something like this. Going to move down here, move up, exhaustion down to here, and then the long. So we could see a sell and then the overall move to the upside. That's what I believe is going to happen now at this sell pressure. So what you're looking for is a double top. And then later on, you're looking for a long to break when we hit this crucial level here. So that's the Great British pound against the yen. I'll upload this and explain it in a little bit more detail. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, see if it's hit that level. I haven't got a notification, so it hasn't moved down. It's just literally kept on moving up, which is fine. It will probably move down there when it halves or when the halving happens in April. So right now, since it's broke out, I was looking for an exhaustion. Hasn't happened. Just literally moved to the upside. Not really anything there for me unless I traded it on the daily, which I missed, unfortunately. So yeah, I would have probably be taking TPs now, but I was waiting for an exhaustion because I didn't see it until it was already like here. But is what it is. I don't really watch it religiously, so that's just the price you pay. So Bitcoin, yeah, moving up. Probably going to see a move to the downside at some point. It's at this level of sell pressure here. It has broken, but today probably going to close at the pin bar. Exhaustion over Monday, Tuesday. Probably mid next week, we'll see this move here. British pound USD. I'm kind of curious to what this has done. Okay, so I said if it broke this level, it's good for a sell. The Great British pound at the moment is a minus 0.6 USD, positive 0.6. So Great British pound still weak. What you're looking for, we have a little bit of buy pressure here, look. I would say a break of this level. Then you're pretty good for a sell. Double top. Fundamentals are to the downside, even though they're not really that strong to the downside. Minus 0.6 to positive 0.5 isn't that extravagant. If it was like minus 4.5 to positive 0.5, then yeah, okay, fair enough. It's going to probably drop. But you might see a little bit of consolidation later on when volume comes in. You can probably see that move to the downside there. So I think it's just a waiting game with this one to pick the perfect moment. So the euro against USD. So we did see that initial move. Again, we're seeing a double top here. Just waiting for an injection of sell pressure. Oh, what I would say is, if we touch here, if we touch here, and then we're probably good for a sell. But what's the euro like now? Euro's a minus 1.7 USD, positive 0.6. So this is a lot better than the Great British Pound against the USD because the euro is a lot weaker. So if I was going to pick one, I'd pick this one because it's probably going to move a lot quicker. But it all depends what happens later on. When we do see these two drop, and they will drop in unison because they basically move the exact same. You just need to pick which one. Which one do you prefer? I know that the euro against US dollar moves quicker. I know that the Great British pound against US dollar is probably going to give you a better entry. So it depends on what you like and how you trade, which one you go for. So yeah, guys, that's it. US 100. Let's take this again. Yeah, I don't really expect too much of this. There's not really, again, news today. We have a Fed Logan speech, which again, he doesn't really matter. Employment change for the CAD, and that's basically it. So pretty chill day today. So yeah, guys, if you want me to go through anything else, let me know. But other than that, Archie, H, MR, Will, uh, Tegan, thank you guys. USD Swifts. Okay. USD CHF. USD Swiss have been in this consolidation since 2011. Still in the downtrend, even though kind of at that level there, weekly. We have broken to the upside a little bit. USD against the Swiss is stronger. So I said potential sells at this level. It's gone up. So it looks as though we're in the beginning of the new uptrend here. So there obviously is a level here. My level was a little bit off. But the next level is here. You can either go to there or there. I'm going to say probably there. Okay, so this is showing signs that I've already joined late, but any chance you could go over gold if you haven't already? Yeah, we'll do. Is it fine to go over US 100 and GU? Okay, I'll do that after. Okay, so gonna see some kind of exhaustion here. Whether we see buy pressure here or we break is gonna be the defining move. But with the way that it's moving, we're at the monthly zone. So to be honest, I think that it's pretty obvious that we're probably going to see a long here. So yeah, minor exhaustion down to this level, probably a little bit before, probably a little bit before the 0.87000 level. Looking for a long, again, if it breaks, and then you're looking for a short. I doubt that it will though, because we're at this monthly level here. And we've never really broken this, apart from in like 2011 when obviously some major stuff happened. So yeah, I think that this is going to continue. And the next couple months, well, probably next year or so, moving to the upside. So pretty easy on that one. Let's go over British pound USD again. So British pound against USD. Looking for sales. Fundamentals aren't that strong right now. So you're looking for a break of this level here, this little support that we've had during Asian. Looking for fundamentals to be a little bit stronger. And then you're looking for your sell. US 100 and gold. Okay, so US 100. Still looking for longs. I don't expect much because there's no news. There's not really anything today. So if we do get a really good entry, I'll be hesitant to take it. But we could get a clean day. So potential long today at this level here. Lots of buyer pressure here. We'll see what happens. But yeah, probably looking for a long today on this. I do believe I'm like 50-50 whether it's going to go long or short, because usually on a Friday we do see a move against the overall direction. So just be aware that it could go short, which will be amazing because then Monday we'll probably get a really clean day to the upside. So there you go. And which other one was it? Gold. Okay, so gold, yeah, it's in between these two levels. Ideally, I want it to break to the upside here or to the downside here. But if we do get a move to the downside and we see buy pressure at this uptrend, I'll probably take it up to here. So instead of these making it confusing, let's just make it super, super simple. Because that's what's happened if they break. Let's just make it simple, shall we? So today, if we touch the uptrend, I'll look for a long. It's as simple as that. Boom. There we go. And that's it. But yeah, guys, I hope that I've gone for everything again, which is all good and everyone's up to date. Yes, it looks like it, apart from being robotic at the beginning. But, the internet seems to have problems on a Friday. It seems to want to conk out on me. So yeah, guys, I'll see you all later. Thank you for joining and see you soon. Have a good Friday. Have a good weekend. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. Stay safe. And as always, trade safe. Take care, guys. Bye bye.